Good evening to all the fellow Toastmasters. I'm Toastmaster Keetana, the Sergeant at Arms for today's meeting. Before telling you the rules, I would like to tell the Toastmasters promise. As a member of Toastmasters International in my club, I promise to attend club meetings regularly, to prepare all of my speech and leadership projects to the best of my ability, biasing them on projects in the competent communication manual, advanced communication manuals, or competent leadership manual, to prepare for and fulfill meeting assignments, to provide fellow members with helpful constructive evaluations, to help the club maintain the positive, friendly environment necessary for all the members to learn and grow, to serve my club as an officer when called upon to do so, to treat my fellow club members and our guests with respect and courtesy, to bring guests to our club meetings so that they can see the benefits Toastmasters membership offers, to adhere to the guidelines and rules for all Toastmasters educational and recognition programs, to maintain honest and highly ethical standards during the conduct of all the Toastmasters activities. Now the rules are: please mute yourselves when the other person is talking and unmute yourselves when you are to speak something. Please refrain from speaking about sex, religion, and politics in a demeaning manner. Please do not crosstalk in between, and please don't unnecessarily use the chat box. I know how excited you feel to encourage your friends, but please do follow this rule. With this, I declare meeting number 59 SVCW Speech Weavers Toastmasters as officially open. Over to presiding officer.
Thank you so much. A very good evening, everyone. I am Nitya, the presiding officer of today's meeting. Welcome SVCW Speech Weavers Toastmasters members and guests to the 59th meeting of the club. We have amazing guests in our meeting today. Help me acknowledge the presence of Area Director Toastmaster Abhimanyu, Toastmaster Gopi, Toastmaster Sai Charan, and Toastmaster Navnit. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you. I am very elated to announce the Toastmasters of the month for the month September. Toastmaster Hema, Toastmaster Yoshita, Toastmaster Tejasvi, and Toastmaster Mayuka are the Toastmasters of the month for September. Congratulations to all of you. Without any delay, let me introduce the MC for today. Our MC for today is an enthusiastic and responsible Toastmaster who tries to bring perfection in whatever the role she does. I always look up to her. Without any further delay, let me hand over the control to the MC for today, Toastmaster Shyamala. Over to you, Toastmaster Shyamala.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Nitya. So, hello everyone, and welcome to Fun and Fiesta at SPC Speech Weavers Toastmasters Club at meeting number 59. So, I know every one of you were actually busy the whole day with your all the full tight schedule, but not anymore. Yes, here today we are in front of you to make all the fun and make you more comfortable and feel happy. Generally, when it is Saturday, we actually feel very excited that tomorrow is Sunday. I have to do all the things possible. We'll be having a very big wish list, to-do list. But when it comes to Sunday, what we actually feel is we really feel that, oh my God, it's Sunday is being going to complete, and tomorrow it's Monday. Everything is going to be started tomorrow. But when it comes to Monday again, we'll feel again sad that Sunday is over. But how? I don't know. Obviously, nobody knows. It'll be over, that's it. But not today. This Monday, we are going to make it fully different and fully fun. So, for you all to, I know every one of you are really missing parties, right? In-person parties. with all the DJ nights, DJ songs, with all the fun with our friends, dancing, singing, fun games, knowing about each other and everything, right? So nobody's actually missing. I am missing very much. So today we are going to make it virtually. Maybe not DJ nights, but fun. Yes, I guarantee you that you will be really very happy. But for that, you need to promise me something. So are you up for that promise? Can I hear some noise?
I promise.
I too promise.
Yes,
Okay.
Shyamala, we too.
Thank you so much. So the promise you have to do is keep a bright smile on your face for this entire meeting and keep your videos on for more interactive and funful session. So without any delay, I'm going to explain the flow of our today's meeting. Today, three masters going to entertain you and take you over this journey of evening party. So these three segments will be continued by Toastmasters. So first one will be a normal table topics marathon, which will enable to improve all your skills. So without any further delay, let's move on to a first segment by Toastmaster Anusha. So over to you, Toastmaster Anusha.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shamala. Good evening, everyone. I'm audible for all.
Yes,
Yeah.
Nandini, carry on.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Toastmaster Anusha. My role today is a table topic master. Table topic is enable a member to develop the skills of improvisative speaking, help the members to quickly organize and express their thoughts. You can think of them as a minimum speech with an opening, a body, and a conclusion. This also provides a speech opportunity to come to overcome our fears. Guests may also participate. Each speaker is required to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Participants are disqualified at 2 minutes 30 seconds. I hope everyone give this a shot. I may randomly call anyone to participate, or you can volunteer to come on the stage by yourself by raising your hand. Before we begin, I request the timer to call out the timing guidelines for the table topic round. I welcome Toastmaster Grishma.
Am I audible and visible?
Yeah, you are audible and you are visible.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters and guests. I am Toastmaster Grishma, and I am going to play timer role in today's meeting. For segment 1, each speaker is given with 2 minutes. I'll show green card for 1 minute. I'll show yellow card for 1.5 minutes, and I'll show red card for 2 minutes, and a grace period of 30 seconds is given to each speaker. For segment 2, I'll give a reaction of thumbs up after completing the 1 minute, and speaker needs to stop the speech. And next for segment 3, I'll give green card for 6 minutes and yellow card for 8 minutes and red card for 10 minutes. Over to you.
Thank you, Grishma. And I can randomly, or you will be a volunteer. Yeah, my screen is visible to all.
Yes, Anusha, visible.
Can anyone?
Yes, Anusha, it is visible.
Anusha, Navneet raised the hand.
Who?
Navneet.
Myself, Navneet. My hand is visible.
Wait 1 minute. Yeah, my screen is visible. Select one
Anusha,
number.
your screen is visible and Navneet will be the speaker.
Toastmaster Navneet, select one number.
Yeah, I'll go with number 6, red color.
One minute. Toastmaster Navneet, what motivates you to be your best? What motivates you to be your best, Toastmaster Navneet?
All right. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Am
you
I
are
visible?
audible. Yeah,
Okay,
you are
timer, you may
visible.
start. Timer, you may start timing. It is the
Timer,
year
can you
2000.
start?
Yeah, it is the year 2018 when I joined my MTech course at IIT Madras. I was not sure that whether I can continue my MTech course or not because almost 10 years in office, detached from my educational line, I was thought I cannot do best. I was bothered. How can I write for 8 hours in classroom and 3 hours in colleges? Because almost I was fully engaged used to with computer screen within office. When I joined college, I came to know nothing is impossible. Your age is just a number. It's up to you. How do you believe on yourself? And after all, where there is a will, there is a way. And that punchline motivated me all the time that I can do it. I excelled not only my academic area, but I also started my marathon. In exactly 1 year before, I joined one club, which is meant for running, and within 2 months, I went for the half marathon, which is 21 kilometers. Secondly, then when I was going for marathon, one fellow said me, "How come you can run within 2 months for 21 kilometers?" I said, "If you think that you have to do, your best will come out." Similarly, when professor told me that generally a sponsored candidate will not study very well in your college life, they come for as a paid leave and enjoy the life. I said the same thing. If you want to do, your best will come out. And exactly it happened. I wanted to convert my MTech to PhD. My guide said it's not right time for you that you should go for that. Wait for some times. Complete your first PhD, then go for this one, PhD. I didn't listen to him. I said no. If you want to do, you can finish. And I started converting my MTech to PhD. And within by the end of my second semester, by the end of my second year, I could able to convert my MTech to PhD. Again, my guide said, "How did you manage?" I said the same thing. If you want to complete anything, your best will come out automatically. And third and last things, I'm here, not in my Hyderabad station. I wanted to join my Toastmaster meeting because I missed my Toastmaster meeting last week of my club. Just now I have seen that some meeting is coming, so I have joined. People are asking me, "What you are doing in office time?" I said, "My office time is over. I'm doing my best out of it." Over to you, Toastmaster of the day, TTM of the day.
Thank you. Thank you, Nivat. Yeah, next anyone voluntary?
Anusha, Sai Charan has raised his hand.
Toastmaster Sai Charan, pick one number.
Yes, may go with 2.
Okay. Toastmaster Sai Charan, what is the between you and your happiness? What is the between you and your happiness? Toastmaster Sai Charan.
Yes. I think I'm good to go, right? My
Yeah,
audio.
you good to go.
Okay. Always
Timer, can
I
you
say,
screen share?
yeah, yeah. Yes, let us wait for the
Anusha, she
timer.
will be doing once the 1 minute has
Okay.
elapsed.
Okay, Sai Charan, you can.
Okay. Always I believe that the thing what we think in our mind, that is only responsible for our happiness. If we think in positive way, definitely the results would come in positive manner. If we think in negative way, the results would come in negative manner. So always I suggest the people to think positive, and even I think positive. And let me give you a situation, a small story regarding positive attitude. There is a man who had a who had lot of farm. There is a man who is having a lot of farm. He's having up to 2 to 3 acres of farm. Just it is enough for him. And one wise man came to him and said to him about the glory of diamonds. He said that there is a diamond. If you had the diamond of your size of finger, you can own your entire city. Then he started searching over the diamonds. And the thing is, he left all his farm, he sold all his farm, and he looked around for the diamonds. But he never find the diamonds. He really searched for 2 to 3 years, but he never find the diamonds. Just he lost his farm. Finally, I conclude from this story that if you believe in yourself and if you think positive, definitely you can do wonders. And really, that might be that is the simple way we can say that if you think positive and if you work on the thing which you are thinking, just let us consider you are thinking something in your mind, and if you work on that perfectly, really you can get success and you may be happy. Thank you. Over to TTM of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Charan.
Anusha, next Kirtana has raised her hand.
Yeah, my screen is visible.
Yes, Anusha.
1 minute. Yeah, Toastmaster Kirtana, can you select any number?
Yeah, I will go with 9.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, I'll go with 9.
Toastmaster Kirtana, 3 words to describe the last 3 months. 3 words to describe the last 3 months, Toastmaster Kirtana.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Anusha, for giving me a chance to describe the last 3 months, which has been the golden days of my life that I never got so much of free time. This Corona have given me this time to explore more, to know myself, and to get many things. So yes, to describe the last 3 months in the 3 words, the first word will be the Toastmasters, of course, because I have been so indulged into Toastmasters. I'm working continuously on my performances, how I'm trying to improve myself as a speaker, as a leader. I'm trying to participate in all the activities of Toastmasters. So the first preference would be the Toastmasters, and second one would be the Prime, the Amazon Prime, which I have. So I'm just, whenever I'm free, I'm going to the Prime and trying to watch different movies. I'm not just sticking to one language, so I don't know the language of Malayalam, Kannada, and Tamil. With subtitles, I'm trying to watch all those movies. But my parents, when asking me why you're watching that Prime, I'm just giving them one reason. If I watch Tamil movie, I learn Tamil. I'm trying to learn Tamil by watching movie. Just appreciate me for my effort to learn a new language. So in this time, just covering up, I'm using all my talents to sit myself and watch that all the movies in Amazon Prime. And the next would be the novels and the time pass things which I'm doing with my brother. So I'm just participating in all the events conducted by the college. Before, I never used to participate in any of the events. I used to sit silently, but these days I was just motivated a bit by my friends. As I'm also free, I started participating in the activities or whatever the activities are going in around me. It may be writing an article, attending a webinar, or all other sort of things, and also playing with my brother. So all the extracurriculars will come in the third way. So in one way or the other, I'm just using this holidays time a very good and useful way. I wish this continue for the next 6 months, and I wish exams should not be there. I don't want to go back to college. I want to enjoy these days. Thank you, and back to you, Anusha.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kirtana. Yeah, next anyone? Next anyone can come voluntary. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Anusha, you're audible.
I see no one raised
Here
their
is
hand.
guest Gopi, someone. So
Yes, yes. I'll be speaking.
Yeah, who next?
Anusha Mayuka.
Toastmaster Mayuka can select one number.
So let me go with 15. Anusha,
Toastmaster Mayuka, who are you are apart from the title you had? Who are you are apart from the title you had, Toastmaster Mayuka?
thank you so much, Toastmaster Anusha. Who am I apart from the titles I had? Who am I? I'm a human being apart from all those titles, all those appreciations, all those hashtags I had. I am a girl who gets into everything always. Though it's possible or impossible, first I wanted to take it up. Then let's see what will happen. We can see later. We can proceed with our work. Why won't we get success? That's the mindset of me. And that is me apart from all those titles I had. Coming to the titles I had, everyone say me I'm workaholic. I'll be getting involved into everything. I take everything for a word. So many. I find many smiling, but no, please don't make me smile. So, I'm a girl of two wonderful parents I had, and I had a sister. Also, what should I say? Who am I apart from the titles? I am a human. I am a BTech student. I am a triple engineer who is trying to electrify the world with many, many inventions and innovations I had in my mind. Thank you, Anusha. Over to you.
Thank you, Mayuka. Yeah, next who randomly? Or can I pick?
Navya. Navya raised the hand.
Okay. Toastmaster Navya, select one number.
I'll go with the yellow one, 7. Is it if it is free?
It is free.
Yeah.
Toastmaster Navya, other than genius, what make us human? Other than genius, what make us human? Toastmaster Navya.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anusha, for that wonderful, wonderful topic. Other than genius, we humans are fighters actually. We fight for something which we don't know if we get it or not, but we fight. We love to fight for whatever we want. We fight for food, we fight for friendship, we fight for death even sometimes. We fight for everything. Look into my case, I have many opportunities, but I still fight for something I don't have. Fighting is common in every human other than genius. And people who fight are not called genius in someone's perspective, but a person is always a genius to his own way. So fight is what is happening in this whole life now casually. Because a person who has 100 crores in his bank account still fight for some more. he have his problems and he still fights. So a person who can't feed himself for a day, he still fights for food. He won't fight for comfort or something. He will fight for something. So we can't call him a dumb. So the person who can't he feed himself a day is also a genius, and he's a human too. And a person who had 100 crores in his bank account is also a genius and also called a human. They are all common actually. But other than being genius and humans, we are all fighters. We humans are fighters for whatever we are. We are fighters, and I am a fighter. Thank you, Toastmaster Anusha. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Navya. Yeah, next
Okay.
anyone?
Yeah, Shyamla will be the next speaker.
Toastmaster Shamala, can you pick any number?
3.
3. Toastmaster Shamala, a time when impossible become a possible. So, a time when impossible become a possible. Toastmaster Shamala.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Nandini. A time when impossible became possible in my life is maybe me. Okay, there's one incident which happened to me last exams when I'm actually preparing for my exams. I did not at all attend the classes much because of some other events or some other works I had. I used to skip many of my classes. So during that time, I actually thought that I'll be punished also this time. I'll definitely failed, and definitely teachers will think I didn't study anything and they might punish me or something. There are many thoughts in my mind that I am done for this time. Nothing more. Our class in charge will come to me and will ask, "What is this, Shamla? You being the class representative doing this, what can I do?" And all. I really expected all this going to be happen, but I don't know how I actually have my exams, but somehow I have passed them. And for my shocking, I got 18 out of 20 in the subject which my class teacher actually teaches me. It's not like shock, surprise, everything I can say. I really didn't expect those marks for me, for what I have actually written there on the paper. That I really was surprised. So that's what I really thought never be, I can never pass that exam, but that impossible became possible for me. I know that's not a very big impossible thing, but for me at that point of time, I thought it's really impossible, but somehow I made it possible. So that's it. Over to you, Anusha.
Thank you, Shamala. Now the timer, all the table topics are qualified.
Yes, they are qualified, Anusha.
Okay. Now, thank you for everyone. Over to you, Toastmaster Shamala.
Thank you so much, Anusha. So I really feel this is an intriguing table topics marathon session conducted. Okay, every one of you were really excited what we are actually going to do today. We have made all the noise, all the fun for what's going to happen today, and there's a small surprise for you all. So that's now is going to be revealed. So it's none other than, okay, I won't reveal. I will give the stage to Toastmaster Nitya. Over to you, Toastmaster Nitya.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shamala. So the surprise is none other than the launch of first ever newsletter of SPCW Speech Weavers. The idea of starting a newsletter for our own club started almost 3 months ago. But then we were not sure of how would that newsletter benefit our members and the club. We had many discussions and meetings regarding the disadvantages and advantages of starting a newsletter, because starting is easy, but sustaining it is really hard. We had many discussions and then came to a conclusion that a club newsletter helps us to keep the members engaged, increase the club's exposure, and to document all the beautiful moments we experience. I strongly believe that the enthusiasm of the club members and the commitment of the newsletter team are both the driving forces of our newsletter, the Girls Bulletin. I thank all the newsletter team members who have worked really hard, and the mentors and advisors who helped us proceed further through all the thick and thins. So, before showing the newsletter, 1 minute. We have our founder of the club, Toastmaster Sirisha. We would like to hear from her. Toastmaster Sirisha.
Hi Nitya. Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. So a lot of things are happening in the club from the time I have left and all. But one thing which I'm really happy is that you all are. You all are flying very high. It's I just want to come back to the club again and meet each and every one of you. I just want to attend the meetings with you again, but it's been more than 1.5 years. It's never like that. It's been more than that. It's like yesterday or day before yesterday. I see a lot of new people are in the club. Someone told me that there were around some 13 or 14 people in the club. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you, and all the very best. I'm telling you, you choose the right platform, and each and everyone over here are very warm and welcoming. All the very best, guys, and congratulations on your newsletter launch. I hope it will bring you lots and lots of success. Sending you all the positive vibes. All the very best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sirisha. She is the pilot of ship, and she's the one who introduced all the speech weavers to the world of Toastmasters. We owe you. We are indebted to you. Thank you so much for coming, Toastmaster Sirisha. So now it's time to launch our first newsletter. Before that, I would like to share wishes from the executive committee of the club to the newsletter team. Is my screen share visible to everyone?
Yes, Nitya.
Okay.
Nitya, I'm sorry to interrupt. We are unable to hear your screen share. When you're actually sharing, there will be option to share sound of the computer too. Please click on that.
Yeah, I'll do it.
This 1.5 years, we have traveled a far distance. Now, it's time to cherish all those starting memories.
This amazing journey could not be possible without few people. It's the time to thank all our special people.
This lockdown gave us many possibilities, and this is the time for us to cherish and to recollect all the sweet memories that we created.
Hooray! The contest season is here. It is the time to take winning tips from our experts.
Mentors are the best gifts. Do you want to listen what their mentees feel about those precious people?
Confused? Not anymore. Presenting 2 more dynamic people in front of you to connect the dots that are left behind.
Enough of all these. Why are you confusing everyone? Let's spill the beans out. Don't worry, people. We, the speech viewers, are coming closer to you with our first ever newsletter.
We wish all the best to the newsletter team. Join us today at 5 p.m. to witness the launch of newsletter along with amazing table topics. See you there. Yeah, those are the wishes from the executive committee to the newsletter team, and we are really proud that we made this happen. And without any further delay, let me share you and show a glimpse of what the newsletter contains. So here is our newsletter. This is the cover page of newsletter, the Girls Bulletin. We are really excited to see the newsletter for the first time. And these are all the contents which will be there in the newsletter. I'm not going to show you the whole newsletter because I want you to go back and read. Yeah. We will share you the link of the newsletter. So make in the chat box, I'll post it now itself. So please do go through our newsletter. Is Toastmaster Kavya there in the meeting?
Yes, she's in the name of Shravya Dulipal.
Hello.
Hi, Toastmaster Kavya. Can we have your words?
Hello, Nitya. I'm actually outside. That is why I'm unable to talk. So I could just say you this words. All the very best for the newsletter, and I am really very proud that you people are starting all this. Hope everyone likes it too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Kavya. Toastmaster Kavya is also one of the founders and the chartering president. We are so much related to Toastmaster Sirisha and Kavya. And no words are enough to describe all of that. I will take the whole meeting for that. So I will be posting the link of the newsletter in the chat box, and also we will circulate the link of the newsletter in all groups. So please go through that and support us. This ends the launch of newsletter, and I will also post the link, the voting link for the best table topic speaker for the table topic segment number 1. So please vote for that also. I hand over to the MC, Shyamala, over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Nitya. Wow, that's really a great thing. We have launched our first newsletter, the Girls Bulletin. So everyone, don't miss it. Do go and check our newsletter and give us a feedback, what you want to tell us. We're really happy to receive that feedback from you all. So, okay, we have completed one of the session from our Toastmaster from this session, that is Table Topics Marathon. We have talked on some topics in our party. So one more thing we're going to do now is play games. Yes. So definitely, I think any party won't be fulfilled without fun and games, right? So now we have another session for more fun for you. And that session is going to be conducted by Toastmaster Hanshika. Over to you, Toastmaster Hanshika.
Thank you, TM Shamla, for handling the stage. A fresh good evening to all. My name is Hanshika. Today I will be the table topic master for this round. Guess the answer. How many of you like the game Damsharats? Please raise your hands.
Me.
Okay, fine. But the difference is here you can speak. Listen carefully. You will be allotted for 1 minute. I will message you the word privately in the chat box, and the speaker who are willing to say who are willing to speak can elaborate the word, and I will message the word privately. Who are willing to speak about the word, who are willing to talk, they can come voluntarily, and I will elaborate the word and express their thoughts, but they cannot use the word, any synonyms or nearest approach of the word. If they use any synonyms or words, they will be disqualified. After your time of 1 minute is completed, timer will acknowledge you with a thumbs up, and if the members will answer below 1 minute, I will mention you with a clap symbol, then you can stop speaking. After 1 minute, you cannot speak. After 1 minute, you cannot speak, and the members can type in the chat box. The speaker who will take less time to make the members to answer is the best speaker, and the members who will answer more answers is the best listener for this round. Let's start the round. Who are willing to come? Hello, TM Navneet. Just wait a second.
Yes. Please drop something privately.
Yes, sure. First, you'll select the word through the spin wheel.
All right. We'll go to last number. This is 13. 13.
Yeah, the spin wheel gives the number.
Oh, I don't have to select.
Okay, yes. And your number is 6. I'll message you privately.
Hello.
1 minute.
Okay.
I have sent you the word.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes. Timer, are you ready to check the time?
Yes, I'm ready.
Shall I start now?
Yes, you are
Am
good
I
to go.
audible, visible? All right.
Yes.
So guys, it's very simple thing. We love and long for this particular stall, shop, and particularly those who are college guys, hostel guys, they keep shopping, they keep ordering to that place if they are hungry. Doesn't matter whether mid of the night or early morning. No. It starts with D.
Wow.
And it's not from, it starts from D and not from the Indian company. Keep guessing. One Kritikana is near to, no. That's not a courier boy. That's a shop name. That's a dosa corner. No, that's a start with no. You are very close to that one. Come on, fast. Yes, perfect.
Timer, please note the time. Answer is said by Shyamla.
And hint is given by me.
Yes, thank you for participating. That's a great speech. Next, who is willing to come?
Hanshika, I want to participate.
Your good name, please.
Hanshika,
Meghana.
before that we had Nitya's and Yoshita's hand raised before Meghana. We shall go in sequence.
Okay. Meghna, you can speak after Nitya.
No, I don't. First, I typed in the chat box for previous session.
Okay. Meghna, here is the chance. Your number is 5.
Okay.
Just wait a second. Yes, the word is in your chat box.
If you people go for a movie and if you like any scene, what will you do? Yes, it's right.
Yes?
Yes, Keertan. Right.
The answer is said by Kirtana. Who are willing to come next?
Hansika, shall I go?
Yes, for sure.
Thank you.
Your number is 14.
Okay.
Just wait a second. Yes, the word is in your chat box.
What meeting are we in? Yeah, that's correct. Keertana.
Hello, Nitya.
Sumedha, can you mute yourself? Host, can you mute Sumedha? Okay.
Toastmaster Nitya, you are good to go. Timer, please check the time.
Okay, we type the answer. Done.
Okay. Yes, the first answer was said by Kirtana.
Yeah.
Who are willing to come for next?
Anshika, we have
Navya.
Yoshita, Navya, Sai Charan. 3 people are in the line.
Okay. Navya, here is the
We can go one by one.
Your number is 4. Just wait for a second. Could you please tell the name in the participants list? I can't find your name.
I was with TTM3 _ Toastmaster
Okay.
Navya Muruguru.
Yeah, I got it. Yes, the word is in your chat box.
Okay. Timer, please start the timing from now.
Yes, timer, you can.
Yeah. Guys, this is a great thing which we all enjoyed a lot in this quarantine. This is what made us entertain so much with red suits all over and lots of money which our eyes can't see, and these people are like very intelligent, and yeah, that's money heist. Who answered that? Someone texted money heist.
Mayuka answered.
Timer, please stop the timing.
Shika, you're on mute.
Yes, I'm sorry. Hello, Yoshita. Shall I spin?
Hi, Anshika. Am I audible and visible?
Yes. Yes, you are audible.
Thank you.
Your number is 15. Wait for a second. I'll post the word.
Get me the difficult one. These people need to try very hard.
Sure. No, it's an easy one.
You give difficult clues.
Yes, the word is in your chat box.
Okay. Timer, we are good to go. How many of you people really need a person to make you smile? He or she will always do the same. The profession of him or her is that.
Yes, the answer is said by Kirtana.
Kirtana, how can you get that clueless answer? Like, I haven't gave you any clue regarding the word.
Timer,
Thank
please.
you,
Time when Kirtana said the answer. Next, who is willing to come? Sai Teja.
Sai Charan. Sai Charan.
Sai Charan, sorry. Your number is 11. The word is in your chat box. Good to go. Timer, please start the time when he starts speaking.
Yes. Which musical instrument do you love? Which musical instrument do you love? Yes, the answer is guitar. Many of you are giving guitar. Wow.
Okay, but I mentioned you not to use the word musical instrument.
Whoa. I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Who is willing to come next?
Anshika, can I?
Yes, Mayuka. Your number is 2.
Wow.
Yes, the word is in your chat box. You are good to go.
Okay. What do we
Timer.
expect from others? Our friends? No, still more. Other than what you are texting, what more do we expect? What do we have between us and our parents? Yes, Kirtana. Kirtana, really? Hanshika done. Kirtana answered.
Yes. Timer, stop the time. Who are willing to come next?
Anusha.
Anusha?
I'll be next.
Hello, Anusha.
I will be next.
Okay. Your number is 9.
Yeah.
Anusha, check your chat box, please. Anusha,
Yeah, I'm.
are you good to go?
Yeah, I good to go.
Timer, please start the time when she starts. Please. Anusha.
There are 9 words. That is a brand name of car. No. Whenever rain is coming, we will use that. For car, we will use umbrella.
Then do we use a car when it rains? A specific car?
The time is up, Anusha.
But you also used the word car. I told not to use. Okay, fine. Who is willing to come next? The answer is Range Rover. Who is willing to come next?
Let me take a try.
Your name, please.
Grishma.
Okay. Your number is 3.
Okay.
Grishma, check your chat box.
Okay.
Wait, I will check the time.
One second.
Okay, you are good to go. Start. Hello. Grishma.
Ha.
Shall I
I
start?
did not see this word. Yeah, start.
Okay.
We'll express this word. We'll express this word. No, it's one word of 8 letters. No. First letter is in my name. Third letter is no. No. And from third.
Okay, fine. I'll give you the clue. We have used this word as the word of the day in one of the meet. I have learned that word from the day. Its meaning is happiness.
Kirtana.
Kirtana, you are correct. Ecstatic. Okay. Who is willing to come next?
I will.
Yes, Shamla. Your number is 10. Yes, the word is in your chat box.
Okay. I should not use the words. Right? Nowadays,
Are you
it's
good
very,
to go?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Timer started.
Nowadays, it's very famous on social media. I should not use those words. No? It's some like nibba nibbi will say no. That's somewhat like that way. We have some other words starting with B, which is really nowadays.
Yes, the answer is from Navya.
Oh yeah.
Who is willing to come next? Still five more chances.
Hansika, I want to try.
Okay. Your number is 8.
It must say properly.
Then you listen properly.
Yes, the word is in your chat box.
I don't know that word even.
If you are willing to give this chance to anyone, you can.
Yes,
You can participate for the next word.
Yeah.
Please to the person who are willing you are willing to give.
Just check for the persons here. Who is my best enemy? I'll go with Yoshika. Done. Okay, Sumedha is here. Let me play with Sumedha for some time. Oh my god, I really don't know that word. I never heard about it. I can't give clues. Why this happens with me? Yoshita is here, or else Hema Pavani, I can give to Hema Pavani or Kirtana. There are many people here. Sumeda also. Navneet sir
Itna
wants to
Navneet.
try. Okay, sir, take it. Hansika, I'm giving that to Navneet. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. Toastmaster Navneet, are you good to go? Navneet?
Hello, I didn't get the message.
Kirtana? Okay, otherwise I will.
Sent.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is four words. It consists of 4 words, and we watch something these days. No, 4 words, not one single words, and these days webcasts are keep coming. So once we see sequel kind of thing. So once we see that movie, then again, serial or movie, something, mostly serial. Then of course, after sometimes we have to wait for some time and go for the next series. It's okay. One word is whose. English. One Hindi word is whose English is who, and second is was. 4 words. Third and fourth word is in English who and was. So convert in Hindi. So you will get the third and fourth word. And third word is I. So give the other pronoun of I. You will get the second letter. Hello. Anyone is listening? Hello. Yeah. So you can try for the last word is very simple. Fourth word is was. Make it in Hindi. Third word is who. Make it in Hindi. And second word is second. Okay.
Okay, the answer is Rasadu mein kaun tha. It's a dialogue from a serial which is a trend in Insta recently. Okay, I'll end the round. The time is running up. Okay, thank you. Over to you, Shamla.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Hanshika. That was really a fun round. And I think everyone have really enjoyed it playing this game, and we're also getting 2 awards. Not me, but yeah. So, okay, in a party, we are done with talking to people. We are done with games. So, what are we missing? So, can somebody say what are we actually missing?
Result.
Before that, some other round. There are 3 rounds I mentioned, no?
Okay. Desert round.
Okay, desert round. Okay. Any other? Okay, then generally for a party, for in-person parties, we actually call our friends. But this is virtual party and open to everyone. So there might be many people whom we don't know. And I actually don't know some people here, and you might not know many of us. So for those to know each other, we have one more round for you, exciting for you all people. So without any delay, I would like to call Toastmaster Navya to carry on this. Over to you, Toastmaster Navya. Oh yeah, Meghna, rapid fire, playing with our friends.
Hey all, I am Toastmaster Navya and I'm here with the table topics round number 3. That's rapid fire. Yes, that's rapid fire, which you are thinking, and it might be a lot more than that also. So let me all explain you what this round is actually and how it make fun of all of the whatever you are thinking. Let me explain you the little rules we have. see, we have some ground rules, not ground rules, but our rules which we should follow, and the process we actually enjoy this rapid fire round. Firstly, I need 5 to 6 volunteers who are willing to play at once. So who will be those? Can you please raise your hands so that I can notify you and note your names? Okay, Navni, the active participant. And Nitya. Who is that 346?
Manas.
Okay, let it be 346. And Hema. Who is the next one? Shamala. Are you all?
There's someone, Krish also has raised their
Yeah,
hand.
that's 346, and I'll make it 346. That's fun. And let me explain you the round. See, I'll give you a question which will actually have n number of answers to it. That's a very generic question. So that you just need to answer with five answers. You have to answer 5 in 5 seconds. So I'll just ask you a question, a simple one, so that you can answer it with 5 answers in 5 seconds. Is that easy? Yes.
No,
or
I have
no?
a doubt.
Yeah.
This 5-6 people are in a group or they are playing.
These people are playing at once. See, these people are like 5 people are there. Now you are playing with 5 people, and you are A, B, C, D, and E. Firstly, I'll give a question to the person A, so that he'll have 5 seconds to answer that question with 3 answers. If he fails to answer, I'll just pass on the question to number B, the person B. And if E also fails, I'll pass on the question to the person C. That way it continues, and where the answer gets, we'll just give some points to him. If you get the question at first and then you will answer, then you will be awarded with 2 points. And if you fail to answer, your question will be passed on to the next person, and that person can actually have some more time to think of the answers and all, so that he will be reduced with 1 point only. If he answers, he'll get 1 point. This is the
But
way
what
how
about
it goes.
E? No, what about E? E will get more time,
He will get
25 seconds.
Yeah, but
Suppose last person going to give the answer, that will get almost 5 into
I
4, 20
I
seconds.
don't think all my questions are really very simple, so people can answer it
Okay.
at the first time only. This was just an excuse to pass on the question, so that people won't feel bad for the answer and all. So that's the way it is going, and I'll give the next question to the second person after the answering of the first one. So that way it goes, and in the meantime, there won't be any extra time to get the questions and all. I'll be asking you rapidly, and you should do it in rapid. So this is all going on a fire. All of you set up fire around you and make yourself warm, so that it will be will be active. And I'm gonna give you some tips and some guidelines before you play. Let me share it. Yeah, the tips are, all the questions will be based on the quarantine time you spent and the places you were in, and those are very generic and your daily life. And make your voice very loud and clear, so that it will be easy for me to listen. So I should figure out the answer is right or wrong in 5 seconds. So remember, I will ask you a question, and you have to give 3 answers for it in 5 seconds only. So the fire is on, and get ready, guys. Timer, please note the timing and just notify me if I cross it. Note for 10 minutes and just notify me at 8th minute, okay? So that I can manage to stop it. So Navneet, you are the first one, and I'm gonna ask you a question, and you have to answer it with 3 answers in 5 seconds. I will be checking the time also, and I won't stop you, and I'll pass on the question. I'll just say fire is for the next. Fire is for the next. Remember
No, I have to give 3 answers, right?
You have to give 3 answers in 5 seconds. Answers won't be so long. You have to give it in a simple and short in a word.
So I have three options to give answer. I mean, I do not know which is the correct answer, but I can give three options, right?
Yeah,
What is the meaning?
you have to give the answers won't be a particular one. You have to give it in a generic way so that there can be n number of answers, and I will relate it to the answer you gave so that I can figure out it is right or wrong. That's way it is.
All right.
Yeah. Are you
Navya,
ready?
Navya, before starting, please announce the list A, B, C, D. Who are those?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Navneet, you will be the participant A. Okay. And Nitya, you are the participant B. And I wish the host to spotlight all these 5 people I announced so that it will be easy for them and for me to see whether they are in the game or they are doing some other things. So can you please spotlight them for me? Yeah, okay. And the third participant, person number 3 is 346. And the fourth participant, person number D is Hema. Hema, could you please on your cam? Yeah, fine.
Yes. I don't find 3, 4, 6 here.
I think they might rename. Yeah. It's Is there any participant named 346 in the meet? You just raise your hand for this and could you please on your camera for us so that you can play?
She's not in the meet.
Please unmute all of the participants. Please unmute yourself. Navneet, Nitya, Krish, Hema, and Shamla. Please on your videos and audios for me. So I hope Krish is not ready. I can't see him. Please unmute yourself. Yeah, fine. We are good to go. And participant number A, Navneet. If you are a product, what would you tag your line? If you are a product, what will be your tagline? Your time starts from now.
Where there is a will, there is a way. Oh, simple one, easy to use.
Done. You tried, but pass on. Fire is away. Participant number 2, Nitya.
Stupid, idiot, intelligent.
Fine, Nitya, you answered. Okay. I'll give you 1 point. And I'm sorry, Navneet. Yeah, I hope you understood it well. And yeah, for the next one. Participant number C, this is your question. Be attentive. You got some time to get the attention. Okay, I'm announcing the question. What are the 3 words you would use to describe yourself? What are the 3 words you use to describe yourself?
Who is she? Is it me or?
Who is that C?
You.
You means 2 members are there.
I've told you the first one is Navneet, second one is Nitya, third one is Krish, fourth one is Hema, and fifth one is Shamla.
We got confused. Can we take it again?
Yeah, I'll change the question.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, be ready.
We can start from fresh.
No way.
That was a demo. That was a demo round. I didn't understand that was. Let it be demo round.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. For your request, I will start it fresh. Okay, participant number A, Navneet. Be ready. Your question is, what did you learn a little too late? What did you learn a little too late?
Speaking, walking, running.
Done. You're good. I'll give you 2 points, and Nitya, your previous 1 point is lost. I'm sorry. Okay. And Nitya, this is your question. Name 3 yellow-colored fruits.
Mango, capsicum. Capsicum is not a fruit, right? So pear.
Okay. Fire is passed on. Participant number C, Krish. Answer.
Mango, lemon, citrus. Mango, lemon, citrus.
Fine. I'm giving you 1 point. Enjoy with it. And participant number D, Hema, this will be your question. Be attentive. Okay. Name 3 things you do with for. Name 3 things you do with fan.
And to
Name-
get air, to clean that one, and the one which evaporates my sweat.
Okay, you done it. I'm giving you 2 points and congratulations. And the next question will be for Shyamala, participant number E. Shyamala, your question will be 3 things you should never do in a car. 3 things you should never do in a car.
Open the door, jump out, sudden brake.
Fine. I'm giving you 2 points. Sudden break? Yeah, we can't do that. We shouldn't do. Okay, the next question will be for Navneet. Navneet? Navneet, are you there?
Yes, yes, very much.
Yeah, fine. I'm giving you a question. This will be a question. 3 car company names. 3 car company names.
Maruti, Hyundai, BMW.
Fine. I think you got some practice before. It's okay, your luck.
No, that's because of demo.
Okay. The next question will be for Nitya. Nitya, are you there?
Yeah.
You have to start your bank account now. You don't have any points, so I'm sorry you got a tough one. 3 songs from Dua Lipa's playlist. 3 songs from Dua Lipa's playlist.
I don't even know her name.
Oh my god.
Miserably.
Okay, then fine. 3 songs from any English song. Any English playlist. 3 songs from any English playlist.
Closer, Shape of You, and Titanic song.
What was that?
Okay, Believer.
Fine, you are out of your time. It's okay. The fire is passed on. Participant number C, Krish, can you answer it?
Shape of You meant to be see you again.
Okay. I'm giving you 1 point. And I'm sorry, Nitya.
It's okay.
Okay. The question to Hema is 3 things girls put on their hands. 3 things girls put on their hands.
Mehendi, tattoo, and the pen ink. That's
Okay.
it.
Pen ink? Oh my god. And Shamla, this is your question. Describe your life using film titles. Describe your life using film titles.
Neninte,
Okay, the fire is passed on. Navneet, describe your life using film titles.
Divana, Premi, Ashik.
Fine, you're getting 1 point and you're in the lead. Yeah. The next question will be for Nitya. Nitya, I'm very scared you have to answer this.
No, my round didn't come. Excuse me.
You answered 1 question right now.
No, that was a pass-on question.
Pass-on question?
So that way I'm not getting.
That will be counting.
That is true, but suppose I'm losing 2 points. I could have got 2
Yeah,
points.
even he lose 2 points, right?
You will
Like
get
that, I
it in
got 2
chance.
points.
This will be circulated. Don't be like this will be circulated and you're also in lead. This is
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. The next question is for Nitya. Nitya, all the best. What are the most useless titles you have? What are the most useless titles you have?
Coding Queen, Toastmaster, and President or Leader.
Useless. Okay, the question is passed on. The fire is away. The question is for Krish. What are the most useless titles you have?
Waste failure, stupid donkey.
Okay. I'm giving you 1 point. You didn't actually have a question for yourself. All your answers were
That goes to
It goes to Nitya actually.
Prime Minister ji.
Hema, this is your question. Compare yourself with 3 animals. Compare yourself with 3 animals.
And elephant and donkey.
Wow. I'm giving you 2 points.
elephant, you can be both now.
That fish is beautiful. And Shyamala, this is your question. If you had a choice between two superpowers, be invisible or flying, what was that? Um, okay, I'm changing your question. Shyamala,
Yes, please.
It's me. Question for me only, Navneet.
Yeah. Question is for Shyamala. Shyamala, your question is, who are your favorite superpowers? Who are your favorite superpowers, Shyamala?
Avengers, Powerpuff Girl.
Navneet, fire is passed on. Who are your favorite superpowers?
Superman, Spider-Man, Avenger.
Wow. Okay. Again, Nitya, please open your account. This might be the final
Nitya,
one.
please open your account, Nitya,
Thank you.
please.
I'll try.
Okay. Yeah. I'll make it very simple for you. And I think there won't be any controversial issues because this will be the final one. I wish she have to open the account. So, Nitya, this is your question. Very simple one. Nitya, tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters. Tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters.
Yellow, blue, red.
What was that? Yellow, blue, red.
I didn't go through the brand guidelines. Please don't tell this to anyone.
Girl, that's matter. You would have won, no. Okay. Fine. The question is passed on. Tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters. Chris,
Pass.
tell me 3 brand colors
Pass.
of Toastmasters.
Pass. I don't know. Pass the 5.
Emma, this is your question. Tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters.
White is for sure. Plain yellow and maroon.
The question is, the fire is away. Tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters, Shyamala. Tell me 3 brand colors of Toastmasters, Shyamala.
Blue, red, yellow, grey.
Okay. I'm giving you 1 point and the round is up and fire is on. People, I'm announcing the results. Navneet, you are with 2 plus 2 plus 1. You're with 5 points. And Nitya?
6. I got 2 times 1. I got 2 times 1. I got 2 times 1, so I have 6 points.
You got 2.
Spider-Man Super 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. Spider-Man, Superman, Avenger, I said.
Navneet, you are with 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. You are with 6 points. And Nitya? Okay,
Yeah.
Krish, you're with 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 points. And Hema, you're with 2 plus 2 plus 2. You were 6 points. And Shyamala, you are with 2 plus 1, 3 points. And this round has been a tie with Navneet and Hema. I don't want to break the tie because that's fine. Because Navneet got an extra chance to answer. So I don't want to break this tie and break myself. Okay. The winners of this round are Navneet and Hema Pavni. Make some fire, make some loud fire. With this, the rapid fire round has got an end. And I hope you all enjoyed. And I can't make another set of people to play. And if you like it very much, just tell me that
Please
you like
continue.
it.
We like it very much.
Okay. If you like it very much, you just tell me that you liked and we'll plan it in further sessions and let's enjoy again. Thank you so much. And I am handovering the stage to the MC, Toastmaster Shyamala.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Navya. That was really, really very fun session. I really enjoyed it. I know the people who played also really have enjoyed it. And the people who viewed also may have enjoyed it because they'll be also thinking about the answers in their mind, that what is the answer for this for myself. And the questions are really amazing. So I guess our party is really fulfilled with everything, with fun, with some words, with this rapid fire. It went to another level, I know. So it's really enjoying that we have come to an end. So thank you so much, everyone. With this being said, I would like to hand over the screen to presiding officer for today, Toastmaster Nitya.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shyamala. I enjoyed today's meeting a lot. Let me share the results. Yeah, as I've already announced in the beginning of the meeting, we have 4 Toastmasters of the month for the month of September. So congratulations, Toastmaster Hema Pavni, for being the Toastmaster of the month. And congratulations, Toastmaster Tejasvi, for being the Toastmaster of the month. Congratulations, Toastmaster Yoshita, for being the Toastmaster of the month. Congratulations, Toastmaster Mayuka, for being the Toastmaster of the month. It is really great that all of you are attending all the meetings and scoring points for the Toastmaster of the month. Keep continuing. And for all the remaining members, including me, we have to try hard and achieve Toastmaster of the month for the next month. And congratulations, Toastmaster Navneet, best table topic speaker for today. He has been so active in our meeting. I just loved his enthusiasm. Thank you so much for coming, Navneet, and congratulations. And best expressible speaker, that is me. Congratulations to myself. Best listener is Toastmaster Keertana. Congrats, Keertana. I don't know where she got the answers from, but she was answering so much. Congrats, Keertana. Best listener. And the best rapid fire speakers of today are Toastmaster Hema and Toastmaster Navneet. Congratulations to both of you. Very well played, and I enjoyed every segment of today's meeting. And I am posting the feedback link. So I request all the guests to please log in, to please click the link and give us some feedback so that we will be able to improve the next time. Yeah, that's it. And I have one announcement to make. That is, we are having our evaluation contest on the 10th of October and the humorous speech contest on the 11th of October. So irrespective of whether you're participating or not, I request everyone to attend and cheer up all our fellow Toastmasters who are participating. And to all those who gave your names, we are really waiting to listen to your humorous speeches and evaluations. So prepare well, we don't have much time. And I am waiting to see our club member in the district and regional stage. Yeah, with this being said, I would like to conclude and hand over the control to the search and data arms.
Before that, let's take a picture. So everyone, please on your videos. Yes, Krish, Timer, Grishma, Meghana, Kirtana, Shravika,
Purti, Vasudha, Sumedha, Afreen.
Spurti, come on.
Meghana, the beautiful girl, please turn on your video.
On the video.
Sorry, now I can't turn on my video.
Okay, no worries. So get ready to pose. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1.
Great pose, Navya.
I also would like to thank all the role players who have taken up roles and made this meeting so beautiful. Every one of us enjoyed. Did you enjoy or not?
Yes, definitely.
This is a kind of fully fun-filled meeting along with knowledge. So I am taking so much of joy and memories with me. And see you all in the next meeting. That is the contest. Don't forget to prepare hard and don't forget to give your best. Over to you, Sergeant at Arms.
Thank you, Nitya. Today's meeting was fantabulous. It was full of joy, happiness, and fun. Hope you all enjoyed it too. I declare meeting number 59, SVCW Speech Weavers Toastmasters is officially closed.
Thank you so much.
The floor is
everyone,
open for the networking.
Yeah, my request is, do you have any speech slots? after your this contest speech slot.
VP
Prepared a speech
Education,
slot.
I think you can take this question.
Yeah, sure. At present, we had many waiting in the queue. Once I will look into all and then I will be getting back to you.
Okay, okay. Because I want to give my speech. I mean, too many speeches are pending. I've given already. I will not bore you. I want to improve further.
So,
Yeah,
if
sir.
you are in our guest group, I will just
Yeah, I mean,
contact
yes.
you once.
Yeah, I mean, okay.
Yeah, sure.
And what is the meeting timing? The same day, Monday.
We will be
Meeting
having
time is
meetings
Monday.
for every 10 days. Our next
10
meeting
days.
will be on October 20. Yes.
Okay, okay.
These are
Particular day is not fixed.
No.
Great, innovative idea. So not 2, not 4 meetings, 3 meetings, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. See you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Navneet.
Bye.
Bye. Is there any lag in the agenda or we winded up in time?
We winded up, I guess.
Just 5 minutes, no problem.
The
But
girls
questions
check
were
Okay,
there.
wait. Someone named Praveen just joined.
Hello, Praveen.
Hello, Praveen.
we leave or you remove him.
I didn't remove. I'll enable waiting room, the best idea.